Hello guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel, Karaoke PH. Guys, for today's video is magre-react tayo sa isang batang air supply na si Cian Macho Moreno. Guys, napakaganda ng boses nito. Sabay-sabay nating panoorin. Air supply ng Pinas.
When there's a dark storm on your horizon,
Nice.
and you think you can't get through it, just put your hands in my hand, and I'll show you how to do it.
Ganda ng boses.
When the future looks uncertain, you can count on me to be there. And where your heart and soul are hurting, just look and you see me there. Just follow the right lead.
Sarap pakinggan ng boses.
I'll give you what you need, a love that's always true, and someone who believes in you.
Nice one. Galing ng batang ito.
When you're searching for that rainbow, I will help you find it. And when a mountain stands before you, I will help you climb it. Just follow where I lead.
Gandang pakinggan.
I'll
Galing.
give you what you need. Someone who believes in you. It's time to come alive. Your moment has arrived. I'll bring out the best in you. We can have it all. No, we will never fall. Looking down from our celestial view.
Grabe yung bata, no? Napakakalmado ng boses. Ang gandang pakinggan. Napaka-relax lang. Galing.
Just follow where I lead. I'll give you what you need, and I'll tell you something else.
Galing.
You start believing in yourself. It's an easy thing to do when you have someone who believes in you. Just follow where I lead. I'll give you what you need, and I'll tell you something else. You start believing in yourself. It's an easy thing to do when you have someone who believes in you.
Galing mong bata, ha?
Someone who believes, someone who believes. I'm someone who believes, and you got someone who believes in you.
Nice. Napakagaling naman ng batang ito. Grabe. Ang sarap pakinggan ng boses. Ayun guys, napakagaling naman ng bata na to. Talaga namang napakakalmado ng boses. Guys, kung nagustuhan nyo ang kanyang performance, huwag natin kalimutang i-like and share ang video na to para supportahan ang mga local singer.